रुको रुको, ये दे दो मुझे, ये दे दो।
कोई चक्कर नहीं, कोई चक्कर नहीं।
जिंदगी कैसे लैपटॉप के सामने गुजर जाती है और हमें पता ही नहीं चलता। अगर हमें कुछ पता है तो ये है कि कभी कभी लाइफ में रुकना ज़रूरी है, वो चाहे 2 दिन के लिए ही हो या 1 हफ्ते के लिए। निराश तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे। मुझे इतनी अच्छी हिंदी नहीं आती, यही लाइन सोचने में हालत ख़राब हो गई। लेकिन अगर आप अभी भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, इसको एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। There was something I was looking for. Sukoon. Just a 6-letter word that means so much for someone like me. And यही सुकून ढूंढने मैं पहुंची बिनसर, an untouched beauty in the magical state of Uttarakhand. I'm here with Village Ways in this beautiful property called Khali Estate. Actually, in reality, इस जगह का नाम was खाई. Indians used to call it Khai, लेकिन Britishers ended up distorting the name. They called this place Khali. And I think the name somehow does justice to this place क्योंकि it is really, really khali around. So Khali Estate के अंदर there are these couple of individual round cottages and this is my cottage. The room inside is so beyond pretty. My heart literally skipped a beat. कितना ज़्यादा सुंदर है यार, ये पूरा एकदम वुडन इंटीरियर से बना हुआ है। I can tell you that this is my favorite place over here. यहाँ पे बैठ के सुबह सुबह चाय पी लो, कुछ भी कर लो, it is gonna feel so beyond magical. वहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है एक फायर प्लेस हुआ करता था, बट अभी यहाँ पे एक डस्टबिन रखा गया है, but it would have been so cool. The washroom has a glass ceiling. I mean, this is my favorite. मैं washroom से कहीं बाहर ही ना निकलूँ। एंड इस वाले विंडो से आपको पूरा फॉरेस्ट का व्यू दिखेगा। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली पार्ट ऑफ खाली एस्टेट ओनली। खाली एस्टेट का जो प्रॉपर्टी है काफ़ी बड़ा है। लाइक आई सेड, इट्स लोकेटेड राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी। यहाँ पे इट्स सो साइलेंट एंड इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुली साइलेंट। For a while, life felt complete. If there's anything that I believe in, it is the beauty of slow travel. You know, when you're really not under the pressure of ticking everything off your bucket list, आप जहाँ पे भी जाओ, just soak in the beauty around. Breathe, observe, be yourself, and eat good food. Lots of them. सच बताओ तो खाली एस्टेट में the food is so delicious that I really couldn't resist myself. आलू की सब्जी, बैगन का भरता, ये क्या है भैया?
मिक्स दाल।
Mixed dal. I can also see chola here that I really love. I think the flavors were sort of in sync with the beauty around. Sir Henry Ramsay is the founder of Khali Estate. Indian independence के बाद this property was owned by Jawaharlal Nehru's sister Vijay Lakshmi ji for a short while. What a treat to the eyes and to the soul. Khali Estate को मैं एक hidden paradise मानती हूँ, shimmering in the bliss of its own lost world. I really do not know how exactly I came across Village Ways, but I am really, really glad that I did. I think they are doing a wonderful job in terms of providing experiential travel to people like us who absolutely love nature and interacting with local people around. And what else do you need? I mean, this is located right in the middle of a forest, and you have these beautiful flowers, trees, you can hear the birds chirping day in and day out. I think this is magical. Okay, it started raining. I did not see it coming. But आज का एक्चुअली प्लान ये है कि वी आर सपोज टू गो हाइकिंग थ्रू द बिनसर वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी एंड वी आर सपोज टू एक्सप्लोर सम ऑफ बीट villages along with some locals. I am really looking forward to it, and we are also going to stay overnight in one of those villages. Bonap, if I'm not wrong, we were actually given a map last day to sort of choose कि हम कौन से village में रुकना चाहते हैं. But it's raining. I think that we might be able to go because is the mountains and anything can happen here, right? It can rain one moment and the sun can just peek through the next moment. But अभी मैं वापस रूम में चलती हूँ. I don't want to get drenched. बारिश तो रुक गई एंड हम सैंक्चुरी एंड आसपास के विलेजेस एक्सप्लोर करने भी निकल गए. लेकिन अगर बारिश हो जाए, you can expect the forest trails to get really, really slippery. And you have to be extra careful if you're using your camera. Otherwise, रुको, ये दे दो मुझे, ये दे दो.
कोई चक्कर नहीं.
बाल बचे. चलिए, अभी के लिए यहीं पे आप सबको बाय बोलती हूँ. Don't worry, I promise to take you to the villages too in my next video. Until then, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I am awaiting to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below.